A lot of you are always asking, like, how did you come up with your teas and what's different about them? And I want you to know that our team takes bringing teas to life very seriously. In fact, we've tried over 100 different blends before we bring to you some of the best teas. And what's really special about them is that not only are they wellness blends, but they also taste amazing. And we've kind of named them for what they're good for. So first one is happy. I hope everyone's happy. And this one is an amazing tea because it has, apple, rose hip, lemon pieces, and hibiscus, which is so good for hydration. And like on those days where you kind of need a boost and you want to get your mood up, you can make a nice cup of tea, whether it's hot or cold. It's really nice. We also have another tea called Energize. So who can't use any more energy, right? Like we all need some more. And this tea is so good because it's an organic sanchai green tea and it has organic papaya in it. So when you pour it, and I have some here actually, the smell is just amazing. Like you're just feeling like you're, in a tropical place, but at the same time, it helps you really get that boost and get that energy. So let me try for you guys. So good. Now, we've also thought about all the things that you guys are telling us you need. And one of the big things was always doing around like skincare and just hydration. So our glow tea has been the one that we've designed for this. And this is really good because it has ginger, turmeric root, carrots, beet, pineapple root, calendula petals, which are so good for the skin, reducing inflammation and just giving you that, extra glow that we're all after. So definitely try this glow tea. It's really nice. And then my ultimate favorite one is our chill out tea. This tea is amazing because it really helps you relax, but at the same time, it doesn't put you to sleep. So the ingredients are organic sanchai green tea and rose petals. And you know something? You can actually take a bath with this tea because that's how amazing it smells and it tastes so good. So on those nights where, you just want to settle down, maybe, meditate, do some yoga, I really recommend our chill out tea. It's going to make you feel really nice. And then last but not least is our focus tea. Who can't use some focus right now? There's so many things going on. And so the key thing with the focus tea is that it has peppermint and ginkgo leaves. And ginkgo leaves is known to really help with like mental alertness. So the next time, instead of having that coffee to trying to get through your days, I recommend trying our focus tea. It's gonna help you get that focus and energized and ready to get whatever you need done.